Okay students, today our topic is factorization. As you all know that I have posted my previous video in that I have explained already that what is factorization. You can see that. Now I will explain in this video that how to factorize a quadratic equation. Okay, this is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. I have also posted a video about that. You can check that. And this is a quadratic equation. I want to factorize it, break it into two parts. How would I know that it will break into two parts? Because the highest power is 2. This tells me that it will break into two parts. It will give me two solutions. Two solutions means two answers of x and two results. I can also say them that, and I can also say two roots. Okay, so first of all, I will see that what is the coefficient of x square. It is 1. Okay, then it's fine. Now I will see that what is the constant in this equation, that is 6. So first I will see that what are the multiples. 6 is the multiple of which numbers? 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. There is no other table that on which 6 is a multiple of that number. So I have to pick one pair. I have to pick that pair that when I will add or subtract that pair, then I will get the middle term. I'm repeating that I want to pick that pair from these three that when I add or subtract that pair, then I will get the middle term. Okay, so first of all I will check this one. If I do 6 minus 1, then I will get plus 5, but I want minus 5. I have to check this sign as well. So if I write minus 6 plus 1, then I will get minus 5. Okay, so I will try that it will give me the correct factorization or not. So I will write x square minus 6x plus 1x plus 6 is equals to 0, because when I multiply them, but it will not give me the correct factorization. How would I know? Because when I multiply them, there is a rule that add or subtract or multiply those numbers, you will get, when you multiply those numbers you will get the constant term, and when you add or subtract you will get the middle term. But by taking this pair minus 6 plus 1, I will get the middle term after subtracting with them. But when I multiply them minus 6 times plus 1, then I will not get this constant. I will get minus 6, and my constant in this equation is plus 6. So what I will do now? I will pick the other option, that is 2 times 3. So I will check that 2 times 3 give me the pair or not. I want minus 5 when I add or subtract them. So I will write minus 2 minus 3. Why I write minus 2 minus 3? Because minus 2 minus 3 will give me minus 5. Okay, now I will check if I multiply minus 2 with minus 3, then I will get this constant term or not. So I will get plus 6. Minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. So this is the accurate pair that I can pick to factorize this quadratic equation. So I will write this one is not correct. I have explained mine in my video. You can replay it. Okay, x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now I have 4 terms in this. So I have to check that what is common in between these two terms and what is common in between these two terms. So it has x square and it has minus 2x. So x is common in between them. I can take x common. So it will be x minus 2. Now in this, it has x, it has x. So I cannot take x as common. So I will check the number now. The second option is the number, that is 3, and it is 6. 6 is the multiple of 3, so I can take 3 as common. I will take minus 3 as common or plus 3 as common. How I will check that thing? I will check that thing by looking at the first factor, that is x minus 2. I want x should be positive. Here look, x is positive. There is no sign with x. Minus sign is with 2. X has no sign. It means x is positive. So I want to make it positive. So I know this. It's a basic rule of maths that if you want to change the sign of any term, then you have to take minus sign common from them. Minus sign common means if I take minus outside of these two to put these two into a factor like this thing, So I have to take minus and 3 common. Why 3? Because 3 divides 6 and 3 also, because 6 is the multiple of 3. So I will get x, signs will become positive, because it's a universal rule in maths that if you take minus common, then the signs of the other terms will change. It is positive, then it will become minus. 3 times 2 is 6, 2. Now look, I have both factors same. It means I have done correct factorization. Now, x minus 2 in this first term, x minus 2 in this second term. So I will take x minus 2 common. Like this, in this you have taken x common. In this same, you can take x minus 2 common. The remaining terms are x minus 3. So by this I get two factors that I have said in the first in the start of the video. So if you like my video, then please hit the button like. Also subscribe my channel, share it for those students who have problem in the case 1 of factorization. This is a case 1. I will upload more cases also, so you can check them to clear your factorization concept. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, and also hit the bell icon so you will get the next videos regarding this concept. Okay, thank you.